Creating recurring tasks in Asana helps automate repetitive work, ensuring tasks are completed on time without having to manually recreate them. Here's how to set up a recurring task. Create a task. Start by creating a new task in your Asana project or list. For example, if you need to create a recurring task for weekly reports, name the task Submit Weekly Report. Open Task Details. Click on the newly created task to open the Task Details page. Set Due Date. Click on the Due Date field and select the date you want the task to first appear. Make the task recurring. After selecting the due date, click on the calendar icon and then select Set to Repeat. Choose the frequency of the recurrence. You can also customize the recurrence to set specific days, such as every Monday or every first of the month. Save the recurrence. Once you've set the recurrence, click Save. Your task will now automatically reappear at the specified intervals with the same details. Assign and monitor. Assign the task to the responsible team member and set any relevant priorities. The recurring task will appear in their to-do list as scheduled.